Hello guys, nag-video ko guys. Nakuha akong tulay. O water level. Kana guys. Ato na ko guys ha, para di mo malibat guys. So sorry. Let's go. Uy, morning guys. So morning ako nanay bangka na ako water level. Ano guys, naimanghod na ko. Yo, dali ara po naman sa 1 minute yun sa niya blurred. So awa guys, kung saan nakalalom ang water, saan siguro nag-blurred.
Uy, mabasa
ipon. Awa guys, baba na kayo ni guys nabasa na gini guys. No, nabasa lagi cellphone, basa gyapon. Oh.
Nabasa na yung cellphone daan.
Oh. Ako lang itrapuhan no, I don't know. Hapit ko my slide. Let's go. This is my Sia. She is playing in the mud. So look at her boots. Like Tanta, look at her pants. Like poop.
No, that's mud.
Yes! Our tricycle kid. Look at this. What I will doing. Like that. In my mother. Yo, you look like Mimi. Let's go. I don't know. The hollow block ko, break it tantan. And this one. Oh my god! This is a Mimi. Mimi song. Let's go again. Oh, heal na. I am talking about what I am seeing. Hoy! Did you break my water level? Huh? Let's go down. Let's go faster. Oh my god, blurred. Yes, look at this. No? Laluma to eh. Yeah, blurred again, blurred. Look at this. How the water level is now. Look at this. Let's go. Let's go there. Let's go. Let's go. Yo. Let's go.
Ito may bitin.
Yep. Yo. So, basha. Wow. We like. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh. Siya sa imong papa siya. Sa English, nag-Bisaya. Look at the water. Oh! What? Did you say? No. I-challenge si Daria dugayon. Dugayon o magpadugay?
Ay, magpadugay.
O sige, ako sa naibalik ng cellphone. So guys, see you. I don't know. Bye.